Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Fortnite emoji, and this time it's gonna be the Let's Rock emoji. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this emoji, and to begin we're gonna start out with his thumb. So we're gonna just draw one curve like this first, and then we're gonna draw one slant going this way, and then we're gonna draw another one coming up this way. So this is going to be the tip of his thumb, and then from this part here we're just going to curve it all the way down past here. Okay, and then to show where we are, we can continue this line. We just draw a little angle like this for his nails. Okay, and then the middle here, just come down, let's draw a little arc. Alright, I know it's a little bit odd with all the strange lines, but it will all come together. Okay, so then we're going to continue here, just curve it, and then we're going to slant it in slightly, come down quite a bit, and then we're going to turn it and just kind of hook it back up into this area. Alright, and after that we're going to draw in the other fingers before we finish up the palm. So right in the tip here, we're going to go up, and on this side we're going to go 1, 2, so just draw 2 little bumps. And then on this side, we're going to draw 2 bumps as well for his other finger. Okay, so now we're going to come down on this side here, so we should meet up with the thumb somewhere right here. And then on this one's going to come down right around here, and then we're going to turn it in. And then for the nail, just drawing one line like this, and then we're just going to curve it around the outside lines. So we're just following that curvature. Alright, so now that we have these 3 fingers here, actually the rest of them is pretty easy to draw. So we're going to start out with this one here. We're going to go out with a slight slant. And then we're going to come back down here. We're just going to go up. And then here's a little bone, so we're just going to add a little curve like that. And then from here we're just going to go up. Okay, just kind of flare it out slightly. Just give it a little bit more cartoony look. And then we just close that off. Alright, and then for the other finger here, so we're gonna start over here. Okay, just curve it like this. And then on this side here, let's draw another curve going this way. Okay, so this one's gonna be a little bit shorter, so come about here. Just draw another curve. Come across. And then we're going to draw one curve going this way, just connecting that. And then let's add in a little bit of crease here. And we can also do that here too. Okay, so we're going to continue down. We're almost done. So we're going to come down here, the palm, come to around here and just kind of hook it in. And then we're going to go back out, come down. So it's almost like a square, but just round it. And then we'll just turn it in and go back to the center. Okay, so that's pretty much the hand, and let's finish up the wrist and the bone here. So this one's easy, right? We're just gonna flare it out, and then we're just gonna zigzag all the way across. And then for the bone itself, straight down, and this one's easy. You come down here in the middle, just make a little point, so you know that you can just kind of curve it and meet it there. And then we're gonna draw one more this side. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it like this. I know there's some some flares going around it. I actually like the hand like this a lot better, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.